Hey friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to add your Chevron e-gift card to your app and also how to use it. First off, you want to have the Chevron app installed. If you don't have it already installed, you can either go to the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you install it, click on it and you want to create an account. And once you log in, you simply want to navigate to the bottom right where it says Wallet, click on it, and then go to Payment Methods. Here you can add a payment method. Simply click on Gift or e-promo card and you want to press Agree. Now that the payment method is complete, go to your local Chevron store, simply use it at the pump or you could use it in the store. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching!